Welcome September. May this month bring you satisfaction, peace, and joy. May all the desires of your heart be granted. May this be the beginning of new things in your life. Stay strong, be positive, and fulfill your dreams. Happy birthday to all September babies, and thank
Ang
you,
ganda ng
God.
ulap, umirang ano yun, shape. Ayun na. Hindi na yun.
May buwan pa ako.
Saan? It's 5, ano ngayon, oras.
I don't know.
Dito tayo, dali. Ika. Oh, dahan-dahan ka lang.